Ikaw ba yan, John?
Oh, yes, ako to.
John means depressed in a sentence.
Depressed in the sentence. Teka. Mali yan, my friend is sad because he's depressed.
Ang sangit naman.
Maganda na kayo yun ako pinakamalapit.
Ako naman.
O sige, ikaw kasi nga.
Kung hindi mo ma-push, depressed. Okay, and tomorrow po, ang Wednesday group. Don't miss it. Bye!